Hi you guys, welcome back to The Dose Show. Give me a big hug, I missed you so much. Now we're back on YouTube and you guys know what that means. That means you get to see me on the big screen every single week. And I know this week is a little bit different because I'm alone. There's no special guest, it's just me. I just wanna have this intimate conversation with you guys about something that I can really relate to, and that's my fitness journey. I am going to be so candid and transparent with you because I really struggle with my weight from the beginning of quarantine, and now I can see a little 4-pack coming in. So I am so happy, and you guys stay tuned for my 6 steps to success with weight loss. Okay, a common misconception is that exercise alone will help you lose weight, and that is just totally not true. You have to follow the 80-20 rule, and it's 80% nutrition, 20% exercise. So you guys, for me personally, exercise made a big difference in my overall physique, but it first wouldn't have been possible without nutrition. After quarantine, I started to just limit what I was eating, meaning like less. So not as many big meals, but smaller meals, and they didn't necessarily have to be healthy. So that was my first mistake. I was actually eating smaller meals that were probably with simple carbs, high in fat, full of meat and things that, weren't good for my overall weight loss. But it did cut down the fat a bit, enough for me to have more energy in the gym and different things like that. So exercise would be my first step to the weight loss journey. And I say that because of my personal journey. It may be different for everyone else, but mine was significantly impacted with exercise. After you start seeing results, you're gonna want to exercise every single day. And that's great, and it will show some results, but you will tire yourself out. And I'll get to a step later called recovery that's really, really critical in your weight loss journey. But while you're exercising, remember, on your rest days, if you decide to work out 6 to 7 days a week, make sure that the rest days that you have are light, okay? So that means just cardio. That means just walking on the treadmill or just taking a walk outside or hiking. No weight training, nothing of the sort, because if you weight train every single day, you will lose steam and you will lose all the weight in the bad way. So another tip is that I actually have a personal trainer. This has been a really, really big, play in the whole weight loss journey because I train with my trainer 2 times a week and I work out by myself the other 4. Or with a partner. So I think it's really important. Not only do they teach you the exercises, they also make sure your technique is A1. Technique in the gym is what is gonna make you successful. I was so bad at squats. Like something as simple as squatting was so difficult for me because I basically would put my knees over my feet and it was so bad. My trainer got on me every single day and I finally figured out how to fix that technique and it changed my workouts. I actually feel, the workouts where I'm supposed to feel them and it changed. So I think a trainer will be really good for that. Also, you're not gonna do as many reps by yourself as you would with a trainer. You can go to the gym and think like, okay, I'm gonna do 4 different sets, this many reps, do it twice. You can say all those things, but you're gonna get tired and there's gonna be no one there to reinforce that you need to keep going. So a trainer is gonna keep you on track with your workouts and make sure you see it through. Another thing is that they actually know how to do compound weight training. And so it's simple exercises. You're not spot training, just trying to get abs or just working on your legs. They know how to do a full, complex workout that involves your full body. And so you have to approach weight loss from a holistic standpoint. So that's number 1, exercise. So number 2, nutrition. You guys, I can't stress that nutrition is so important. It's been the hardest one for me because I love to eat, but now I eat differently. And I'm so grateful to my amazing family at Eat Naked LA. They send me meal preps each week. So I actually am able to pick and choose the things that I want in my meal prep. And I get either 10 to 15 meals a week. They're so filling that I can't even finish one sometimes. I spread it out during the day and it's just fantastic. So, like I said before, simple carbs are so bad. They're hard to get rid of. The white rice, the white bread, the snacks, the crackers, those type of things is just so hard to let go of. But if you actually have meal prep or a meal plan in mind and you cook it, you're going to eat it. and you're also gonna get the protein that you need. I think around 20 to 30 grams of protein with each meal is what you need to lose weight. I personally love that it's already scheduled out for me what I'm eating for the day. Okay, now for my favorite one, sleep. Number 3 is sleep, because sleep is so important to recovery, to letting your muscles grow. Like, you're doing all that work in the gym for what? If you don't allow your body to regenerate the muscle cells and grow. So sleep is the way that you can do that. So I get around 6 to 8 hours, depending on, what it is I need to do the next day. But if I need more sleep, I get it. Okay, guys, listen to your body, feel your body, listen to it, because it knows what you need. And you want to keep that journey going. You don't want to stop, do so well with your fitness journey and stop abruptly. So if you don't snooze, you lose. Number 4 is actual recovery. So there's so many things you can do for recovery. One of my favorites is massage therapy. I'm a lady, so I love to be pampered, and I know a lot of you guys feel the same. And if you work out as much as I do, you need to have at least once a month, every week, anything that your body needs, you need to get all of that soreness out of your muscles with massage therapy. I go to this wonderful location in Los Angeles called Skinnick, and they take care of me, and it's amazing. So they do a full body massage. They also massage your abs. And guys, I don't know if you have tried to get abs. Like I said, my 4-pack's coming in, but it hurts. It hurts to eat. It hurts to breathe sometimes, because you're kind of like, this is new. Your stomach is just kind of compacted. And even when you feel bloated, it doesn't look like it, because those muscles are just doing their thing. So you guys need a little bit of love in that midsection. Another great thing that Skinnick offers is EM Sculpt. This treatment is life-changing. It actually feels very strange, but it tightens your abs. You can see the visible difference before and after. Your abs come in, they're just looking okay. But when you get out of this machine, which actually moves the muscles, it feels incredible. Some more recovery techniques are stretching. Stretching is number 1. After every gym session, you should do around 10 minutes of stretching. Just basic stretches, you guys. Wherever you feel it, that you need it the most. For me, I'm always so sore in my back. So I lay on my back and I put my leg over and I just lay there. If you're good at yoga, you can do that, but you have to stretch so that the next day your muscles aren't tight. Another thing is rolling out. So you guys, you can roll out in the gym. You can just lay there and actually massage your muscles. And that's a great way to recover, but make sure that you recover. Okay, this is the number 1 thing that's always asked, supplements. What do you need? What do you actually need to lose weight? And what supplements actually work? Let's get down to it. My favorite supplement will be pre-workout. I don't know about you, but when I take pre-workout, some of the pre-workouts just have me shaking from head to toe. It has so much caffeine, it's loaded. I can't even focus. I'm just so jittery. I'm in pain. I can feel my hands burning. It's just the worst experience. I love this non-stim pre-workout that I get, and it's incredible. I put 1 scoop in water, or either sometimes I do a dry scoop and chase it with water. Don't tell anyone. It's an excellent way to just get your workouts going. I also found this it's already made in a can, and it tastes like Jolly Ranchers. It's insane. It's this pre-workout that's carbonated that tastes like watermelon Jolly Ranchers. I don't know, but that one gets me. That's definitely not non-stim, so yeah. Another thing you could do is, if you don't like how supplements make you feel, you can drink coffee. Simple. And I got a lot of sugar-free additive flavors that I put in my coffee, like hazelnut, vanilla, chocolate. You can just dress it up. And I don't actually eat before the gym. Yeah. So that's something that a lot of people will disagree with, but that's my personal thing, is that I will take the pre-workout, work out, and then eat. Okay, so another thing I have in the gym with me are my BCAAs. I have to have it. There's a company called Celsius that everyone loves, and I drink daily, especially when I'm working out. It is called branched chain amino acids. So that's what BCAAs stand for. And they basically build muscle. So it's the precursor to protein. So if you're in the gym, the way I see it is you're in the gym, you're taking in amino acids. When you get out of the gym, you follow it with protein shakes within 30 minutes or actual food with a lot of protein. So if you're on the go, just have a protein shake ready, or you can actually have a meal. My supplements that I have to have, I don't do other ones. I just do my pre-workout, my BCAAs, and then my protein. Okay, last topic, but definitely not least, number 6 is sweating, waistbands, all of that. What's really important? Okay, you guys, waist training is, for women, something that everyone's doing. You see it on Instagram, you'll see it on mine, that I'm wearing a waist trainer, especially when I'm doing cardio. This isn't a must, but it definitely helps with the sweat factor, which helps with weight loss of water weight, essentially. I wear my sweatband, not too tight. I'm not trying to squish and move my organs around. And that's something that, is a concern for, many health professionals. I wear it in a comfortable manner, and I do cardio and then my whole exercise routine in that waist trainer. But take it off when you do ab exercises. That's the rule. A lot of people wear it throughout the whole workout. It needs to be taken off right after you finish your cardio and your compound weight training, and before you do your abs. All right, you guys, I hope that was helpful. I hope you see how I went from this to this in a matter of 6 months and how it worked for me. You guys can do it too. Just to recap, the 6 months included 4 months of changing just my eating habits, and 2 months and counting of that really intense exercise training. So you guys see how that 80-20 rule really works. My nutrition cut me down all the way almost, and then now I'm just building muscle and I'm defining my muscles, and now I have my abs. Woo! Thank you guys for watching. I hope this was helpful. Follow me at The Dough Show, and you can hashtag Ask Dr. Robin B if you have any questions for next episode. Thank you.